2 bottles of Jaeger and a shot of Grey Goose. Tell me, well and truly, was it really worth it? Just so you can cut loose. Fiver, could've saved my life. He chose to stay out and go on a live one. Now I'm laying 6 feet in the dirt, seeing the world with the pain and the hurt. Like a roast on the concrete, I should be playing in the dirt, not laying in the dirt. Watching my rearview mirror unfolding. Yeah, clockwork, car collisions, deprived the soul of young living. Nauseous decisions run the old man inhibition. Pick it up and put it down. It's one way, it's one decision.
Sip, sip, I'm a heavy consumer. Wish I'd known on my limits a lot sooner. Never really known that I was over the limit, but I should've known. When I couldn't walk in a straight line, who would've known that these 2 last drinks were fatal? I was Schumacher in the whip, trying to get straight home. You never really know when it's your time. Head-on collision, that's your life.
Sip, 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 man, I drink it like water. Wavy's my aura. I've been switching through lanes, off the shits where I don't know my name, but I always got a designated driver, cause I lost blood on the road. I'm talking literally, and we were sober. So I thank God I'm still alive to tell my story.
Sip, sip, I'm a heavy consumer. Wish I'd known on my limits a lot sooner. Never really known that I was over the limit, but I should've known. When I couldn't walk in a straight line, who would've known that these 2 last drinks were fatal? I was Schumacher in the whip, trying to get straight home. You never really know when it's your time. Head-on collision, that's your life.